Welcome back. I hope that you are in good health. How to remove winter rock salt stains. Winter is upon us, and with it comes snow and ice. Treating our roads and sidewalks with salt and deicers helps us make it through the winter weather safely. But the salt can take a toll on your car, shoes, clothing, and floors. Cleaning up the salt does not need to involve harsh cleaning products. You can easily remove dried-on salt before it does serious damage with natural ingredients that you already have around the house. Road salt can damage various types of flooring if not cleaned up properly. Most importantly, clean water droplets that may contain salt immediately. Wipe up any water droplets right away to prevent staining. The longer the water sits there, the more difficult removing a salt stain will become. To clean up salt that's dried up onto your floors without scratching the surface, you'll need to pour 2 cups of warm water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap into a spray bottle. Spray the floor and let the liquid sit for a minute or two. Then wipe it up with a dry towel or your trusty mop. Your shoes can also get road salt stains on them. For most shoe types, simply wiping them down with a towel and warm water should do the trick. For leather shoes, use saddle soap. Saddle soap is a great product for cleaning leather shoes and is often made with 100% natural ingredients. If you cannot find saddle soap or wish to make your own, there is a recipe on your screen. To clean the shoes, apply a small amount of saddle soap to a moist sponge and work it into the leather using small circular motions. Then simply use a clean, dry cloth to buff the shoes and remove any excess saddle soap. Road salt stains can splash up onto the hems of coats and trousers and must be removed as soon as possible to prevent staining and even prevent changes to the dye color of the fabric. For washable garments, rinse the salt-stained area in warm water as soon as possible. If the salt stains have dried and stains have set in, you may need to allow them to soak overnight in warm water. If you need something stronger to remove the stain, try mixing 1 tablespoon of white vinegar with 1 quart of warm water. Use a clean rag to sponge the vinegar solution onto any salt stain. Then launder as usual, following label instructions, using your regular detergent and warm water. When road salt gets tracked onto your home or car carpets, it takes a bit of effort to remove the white traces that can remain. Mix a solution of 50% warm water and 50% distilled white vinegar in a spray bottle. Vacuum the stained area to remove any dry, loose pieces of salt. Then spray with the water and vinegar mixture. Try not to oversaturate the area. Allow the solution to work for at least a few minutes. Scrub gently with a brush, just enough to get the salt to the surface. Use a dry towel to absorb the salt. Flip the towel and press until the salt is absorbed. You can also use a wet vacuum to remove the moisture. Allow the area to air dry, and when completely dry, vacuum with a regular vacuum to lift the fibers. And for the outside of your vehicle, you definitely want to wash it every 10 days during winter to get the salt off. Salt keeps snow from freezing to your driveway, and I hope that these tips will help salt from staining your personal items. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.